Good morning, everyone. Let us come now to the next topic, which is derivative. So, in this topic, we're going to talk about a lot of things in terms of finding the function's derivative. And so far as derivatives is concerned, the first topic that we're going to discuss is about the derivative of a function and the slope of a tangent line. For us to determine the derivative of a given function and at the same time the slope of the given tangent line, we need to deal with this formula. The formula can be read as dy over dx, or the change in y over the change in x is equals to the limit of f times x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. This is actually called as the delta method. This is one method which we can deal with in finding the derivative of a given function. And so far as this method is concerned, we need to follow a certain steps for us to arrive in a correct answer. So, in this manner, step 1 states that in a given situation or equation, we need to replace x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y. Then we need to simplify. The second one, find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. And after that, we have to simplify again. For step 3, divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x. Then again, we have to simplify. Then after the step 1, 2, and 3, we're going now to find the limit of a given function as delta x approaches to 0. Let us come now to find the derivative of y is equals 4x squared plus 15. Insofar as delta method is concerned, we're going to use it. Okay? So the first step that we're going to use here is we need to replace x with x delta x and y with y plus delta y. So we have step 1, that will be y plus delta y is equals to 4 times x plus delta x squared plus 15. Okay, so this is the first step and we need to simplify this. We have y plus delta y is equals to 4 times x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay, plus 15. This will be your simplified form in terms of step 1 is concerned. Following step 2, we need to subtract, or we need to find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. So we have y plus delta y is equals to 4 times the quantity x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 15. So we have to y plus delta y is equals to 4x squared plus 8x delta x plus 4 times delta x squared plus 15. Okay? Finding the delta y, we need to subtract this equation para mahanap po natin yung delta y. So, minus y equals 4x squared plus 15. Ano nga sabi natin? If we're going to find the subtraction of this given function. Ano nga po yun? That the subtrahend will change its sign. So ito po magiging subtraction, ito magiging minus, ito magiging minus or negative. So ito then proceed to addition. So we need to cancel this. Also, we need to cancel this and ito po cancel. So ano po yung natira? Delta y is equals to 8x delta x plus 4 times delta x squared. Ito na po yung simplified form. Again, step 3. Yung step 3, it says that we need to divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x. So, following this, we have to delta y is equals to 8x delta x plus 4 times delta x squared. Divide both sides by delta x. Okay? So we have delta y over delta x is equals to 8x kasi maka-cancel na po ito. And then ito maka-cancel out. Ilan yung natira dito? We have plus 4 delta x. Okay? Ito na po yung simplified form for step 3. How about step 4? This will be your last step wherein step 4 states that we need to find the limit of the given function as delta x approaches to 0. Step 4, this states that dy over dx is equals to change in y over change in x is equals to, or should I say, as the limit of delta x approaches to 0 is equals to the limit of 8x plus 4 delta x as x approaches to delta x is equals to 8x, okay, plus 4. What is delta x? What is delta x? That will give us as delta x approaches to 0 ito. So 0, then that will become 8x. Therefore, ito na po yung final answer mo in terms of finding the derivative of the given function y is equals to 4x squared plus 15. Okay? So, ito na po. Questions? Clarifications? Okay. Let us have another example, which is, we need to find the derivative of y is equals to x squared minus 5x plus a. And so far as delta method is concerned, we need to follow the given steps. For the step 1, we have to what? Okay, we need to replace x to x plus delta x to y plus, or y is equals to y plus delta y. So we have y is equals to x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay, so changing this to y plus delta y. Y plus delta y is equals to x plus delta x squared minus 5x plus delta x plus 8. Are you following? Then we need to simplify this. Y plus delta y is equals to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay? So, we have also minus 5x minus delta x plus 8. Okay na po. This will be your simplified form in terms of step 1 is concerned. How about for step 2? Step 2 states that we need to subtract, Okay? Delta y, or we need to subtract the given equation from the equations that we obtained in step 1. So therefore, we have minus y, okay, equals, ang equation po ng y, ito po ano? So we have to x squared minus 5x plus 8. Are you following? So y, so ito na po yun, we need to subtract ano po? So change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. That will give us changing the signs of the subtrahend. So positive, negative, that will be cancelled out. Ito naman, cancelled out, the same, the same. Okay? So we have to find ano po yung mga natira. So delta y is equals to 2x delta x plus delta x raised to 2 or squared minus delta x. So ito na lang po yung natira. Ano po? Double check natin. Yan. Okay. So step 3 states that we need to divide both sides by delta x. So dividing both sides by delta x plus delta x squared minus delta x. Okay. So meron tayong nakalimutan dito. Negative 5x, negative 5 delta x. So ito po ay magiging 5, negative 5 delta x, negative 5 delta x. Okay? So divide both sides by delta x over delta x. So that will give us delta y over delta x. Cancelled out, we have 2x. Cancelled out also, plus delta x. Then cancelled out, we have minus 5. Okay, are you following? Now, we need to, step 4, we need to find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So, we have delta y, dy over dx is equals to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So, we have 2x plus 0 minus 5. So, the limit of the given function will be now 2x minus 5. Ito na po yung magiging sagot niya in terms of the derivative of the given function. Y is equals to x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay? Do you have any questions? Clarifications? Okay. Let us have another example. Whereas we need to find the derivative of y is equals to 2 over x plus 5. Ngayon, ang problema na is that we have this rational expression. Okay? May numerator na tayo and denominator. Okay? So, following the steps again of delta method, we have step 1. Okay, step 1 states that we need to replace the given y to y plus delta y and x to delta x to x plus delta x. So y is equals to 2 over x plus 5. Okay, so we have y plus delta y is equals to 2 over x plus delta x plus 5. Okay? Are you following? Okay? The next one that we're going to deal with this, ito na yung simplified form niya eh. So, step 2, yung step 2 po, we need to have to subtract. So, y plus delta y minus y is equals to, ano po? 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 minus 2 over x plus 5. Are you following? Oh, you're going to ask, sir, saan kung galing yung 2x plus 5? 2 over x plus 5. Saan galing yung y? Ito na po yun. Naka-state po sa step number 2 natin that we need to find the change in y or the delta y and so far as na makuha po natin yung step number 2. Okay? So, ito na po. Kinopya ko lang yung function which is y is equals to 2 over x plus 5. Okay? So, we have to cancel this. We have delta y is equals to, anong mangyayari dito? Ay, problemado na tayo. Ano? So, we need to find the LCD, which is x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. Okay? So, we have 2 times x plus 5 minus 2, ito po yung 2 ito, times x plus delta x plus 5. Question? Wala. Sige, bahala kayo. Anyway, ginawa lang po ito is, come to think of it, kinuha po yung LCD, okay? So, listen well. X plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5 divided by x plus delta x plus 5. You need to cancel this. Ano po yung natira? Ito, 2 and x plus 5. Kaya ito po. Minus, ito na yan, minus. Ano? Ito po ulit LCD. Okay, divided by x plus 5. So, ito x plus 5, cancel mo siya. Ano yung natira? Itong x plus delta x plus 5. Kaya ito po siya. And ito yung 2. Now, so I do hope that it is clear to you. Okay? Then we need to simplify. Ano po? So, magiging siyang delta y is equals to 2x plus, or I mean, 2x minus 5, 10 minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus 10. Ano? So, 2x plus to, plus 10 minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus 10 over x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. Okay? Then, we need to cancel delta 2x minus 2x. So, ang natira po is delta y is equals to negative 2 delta x over equals negative 2 delta x over x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. Okay? We need to go to the step 3. Whereas, step 3 is we need to divide both sides by delta x. Okay? So, delta y over delta x, or delta x is equals to negative 2 delta x over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5 times delta x. Okay? So, we have to simplify this. Cancel it out. We have negative 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. Okay? The next one is step 4. Step 4 is we have to find the limit of the given function as delta x is equals to 0. Therefore, dy over dx is equals to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0 is equals to the limit of negative 2 times 0 as delta x approaches to 0 over x plus 0 plus 5 x plus 5. So, equals to wala na pala to kasi negative 2 na lang siya. Ito na yung part. Okay? So, we have negative 2 over x plus 5 x plus 5 or negative 2 over x plus 5 squared. So, ito na po yung magiging final answer nyo for the given function in finding the derivative. Question? Clarification?